Postpartum underwear is essential for every mother of a newborn. After giving birth, whether it's from a C-section or a vaginal delivery, you have to face a bleeding known as Lochia, which can last for up to 6 weeks. During this time, it is quite essential to choose an underwear which will take care of this discharge and keep you comfortable. Besides that, if you deliver vaginally, it will take time for your body to bounce back to its normal shape. This is why postpartum underwear comes with wider features to keep you comfortable throughout the journey. Keeping all this in mind, in today's video, we came up with the 5 best postpartum underwear for you. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
After delivery, it's important to take care of the situation down there, and it's also necessary to provide your body with the support it needs. This is why the UpSpring Baby Postpartum Underwear might be a great option that you can consider. This underwear is made of 92% nylon and 8% spandex. It has a comfortable fluted waistband that helps to regain the shape you lost during pregnancy. The high-waisted tummy control provides support to your abdominal muscles, and the underwear ensures perfect control and compression. The product comes with a pull-on closure while being seamless and discreet. It doesn't contain any bands or Velcro, and it's lightweight and durable for maximum comfort. The UpSpring Baby Postpartum Underwear is loved by many users on Amazon as it doesn't roll or stretch out, and it provides great comfort. But then again, some users were disappointed with their purchase. So let's take a look at the ratings. We easily give this product 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to value and price. But in case of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today is the JUNFAN mesh pants, which will keep your pads in place without any leakage while providing reusable facility. This postpartum underwear is made of 94% polyester and 6% spandex, and they stretch quite well to provide great coverage and support. These seamless pants are non-irritating and reusable, so you can wash and reuse them multiple times. The pants come with a pull-on closure, and they are breathable for keeping you comfortable. Besides that, the material is latex-free, and the underwear is easy to wear while holding surgical dressing perfectly. The JUNFAN mesh pants have earned quite a number of positive feedbacks from users, and they love how this product stays put while providing comfort. But as it goes, a few users didn't really like the material. So time to rate this product now. We admire the quality and the price of this postpartum underwear, so overall, it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. Do you want an underwear which is disposable and super stretchy for ensuring maximum comfort during your postpartum days? Well, worry no more, because the Frida Mom Disposable Postpartum Underwear is here to your rescue. This underwear is made of microfiber and spandex, and it provides full coverage while taking care of you during the first 6 weeks after delivery. The fabric provides great stretch and keeps your pads in place, ensuring maximum comfort. It's a mesh-free and seamless underwear, which is super soft, and it doesn't cause any squeezing or peeling. It has a breathable fabric and doesn't contain latex, and the product is available in 2 different sizes. This postpartum underwear is highly favored by users as the material is soft, and it provides great support while ensuring comfort. But a few users did not really like the product. So moving on to the ratings, we were absolutely amazed by the performance and the affordability of this underwear. So in total, it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. Next in line is the Solimo Women's Protective Underwear, which is an Amazon brand and has comfortable features to keep you worry-free during postpartum days. The underwear has a dry fit feature, which helps to control moisture, keeping you dry, while the dual odor control system prevents odor to give you a refreshing feeling. The cotton-enhanced top sheet of this product feels soft against your skin while keeping the moisture away. The product provides maximum absorbing facility to lock away wetness, and it also controls temperature to keep you comfortable and healthy. It's available in different sizes, and the product does not contain latex as well. The Solimo Women's Protective Underwear is preferred by many users as it comes with a great quality while fitting perfectly. But some users face different issues after using the underwear. So let's rate this product. We absolutely loved the quality and comfort provided, so it gets 5 stars on those, but the product is a bit pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. The Always Discreet Underwear is our best pick for today's video, as it has earned the trust of thousands of users for its comfortable features. The underwear comes with a rapid dry core, double leak guards, and an outdoor lock technology. The rapid dry core helps to pull, trap, and lock away wetness and odor. It covers you from back to front. It also provides heavy leak protection during day or night, keeping your worries away. Double leak guards help in preventing leaks where they are most likely to occur. The odor lock technology neutralizes odor and keeps you refreshed throughout the day. This incontinence underwear is made with a cotton-like fabric which is gentle and has a soft waistband that follows your body's curves for extra comfort. Users on Amazon highly appreciate the underwear as it works great on heavy period days while providing comfort. But besides all that, some users said that they had issues with the sizes of the products. Let's check out the ratings. We were overwhelmed by the overall quality and affordability of this product, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. And those were our top 5 best postpartum underwear. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. And tell us what beauty or wellness products you want to hear about in the comments.